A very pleasant day ahead to you, especially to your family. By the way, I am Jonalyn Abendaño, 35 years of age, and I'm from my origin country, Philippines. I am a single mother with two sons, and I'm a high school graduate. I'm the eldest children to my family. I have three sisters and two brothers, and I am a Roman Catholic. My overall experience is 5 years in 1 month in two countries. The first country is in Qatar within 2 years and 1 month, serving to four members of a family. The second country is in Saudi Arabia within 3 years, serving four members of a family. My main duty and responsibility is to take good care of their safety, especially when their parents is at work. I'm the one who's feeding them, taking them bath, taking good care of their personal hygiene, teaching them a good manners, reading them books, and also I'm the one who's sleeping with them at night. At my vacant period, I'm the one who's doing a household chores such as cleaning the house, ironing the clothes, and washing the clothes also. Mom and sir, hope you consider my application to you as your nanny and helper. Hope to serve with you, work with you, and learn a new experience with you soon. Thank you very much.